Welcome to Montenegro, where history, nature, and adventure converge in one breathtaking destination. Nestled along the Adriatic coast, this small but mighty nation is one of Europe's best-kept secrets. Join us as we journey through its majestic landscapes, uncover its hidden stories, and explore the essence of Montenegro's timeless charm. Montenegro, officially known as Crna Gora, meaning Black Mountain, is a small country in southeastern Europe. It shares its borders with Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serbia, Kosovo, and Albania, while its western coastline is embraced by the Adriatic Sea. Covering a total area of approximately 13,812 square kilometers, Montenegro is one of the smallest countries in Europe. But don't be fooled. Despite its compact size, it boasts a rich geographical diversity, from rugged mountains to stunning beaches. As of the latest estimates, Montenegro has a population of around 620,000 people. With a relatively small population, the country offers a peaceful and serene environment, attracting tourists from all over the world. Globally, Montenegro ranks as the 156th largest country in terms of land area, making it one of the smallest sovereign nations. However, what it lacks in size, it more than compensates for with its stunning landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Montenegro has a developing economy, primarily driven by tourism, energy, and agriculture. The country's gross domestic product, GDP, is approximately $6 billion, with a per capita income of around $9,600. The service sector, particularly tourism, contributes significantly to the economy, as Montenegro has become a major destination for travelers seeking stunning coastal resorts and historical sites. Tourism is the backbone of Montenegro's economy, with over 2.5 million visitors arriving annually. The country's breathtaking Adriatic coastline, medieval towns, and diverse landscapes make it a prime destination for travelers from around the world. Cruise tourism, in particular, has surged in recent years, with Kotor serving as a major port for international cruise ships. Apart from tourism, Montenegro's economy relies on industries such as energy production, particularly hydropower, mining, and agriculture. The country is rich in natural resources, including bauxite and aluminum, which play a crucial role in its industrial sector. Montenegro is also investing in renewable energy, aiming to become a key player in sustainable power generation in the Balkans. Montenegro is home to several fascinating cities, each with its own unique charm. The capital, Podgorica, is the country's largest city, with a population of around 200,000. It serves as Montenegro's economic and administrative hub, offering modern infrastructure and cultural attractions, like the striking Millennium Bridge and the historic Ribnica Fortress. Kotor, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its breathtaking medieval architecture, historic fortifications, and the stunning bay that surrounds it. Tourists flock to this picturesque town to experience its ancient charm, awe-inspiring landscapes, and the famous Kotor Fortress. Budva, often referred to as the Montenegrin Miami, is famous for its golden sandy beaches, electrifying nightlife, and captivating medieval Old Town. It is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the country, offering a perfect blend of history and modern attractions. Cetinje, the former royal capital, is known as the cultural heart of Montenegro. This city is home to remarkable historic landmarks, such as the revered Cetinje Monastery, the Grand King Nicola's Palace, and the esteemed National Museum, all of which preserve the country's rich heritage. Herceg Novi, located at the entrance of the Bay of Kotor, is a paradise of lush greenery, a breathtaking seaside promenade, and iconic historical sites, like the formidable Kanli Kula Fortress and the serene Savina Monastery. Nikšić, the second largest city in Montenegro, is a dynamic industrial and cultural hub. It is famous for its legendary breweries, stunning historical landmarks, such as Trebjesa Hill and the tranquil beauty of Krupak Lake. Finally, Bar, an important port city, offers an extraordinary blend of history and modernity. The ancient ruins of Stari Bar, a medieval fortress town, stand as a testament to its rich past, while the city's coastal beauty makes it an unforgettable destination. Montenegro has a rich cultural heritage, shaped by centuries of history. The country has been influenced by Illyrians, Romans, Byzantines, Ottomans, and Slavic traditions, creating a unique blend of architecture, customs, and traditions. The medieval monasteries, Ottoman-style bazaars, and Venetian coastal towns reflect this diverse past. Montenegro is home to vibrant festivals that celebrate its traditions and artistic heritage. The Kotor Carnival, one of the most famous events, features parades, music, and theatrical performances in the scenic medieval town. The Mimosa Festival in Herceg Novi welcomes spring with colorful flower displays, concerts, and folk dances. And for music lovers, the Lake Fest in Nikšić is a must-visit, attracting rock and alternative bands from across the region. Montenegrin traditional music and dance play an essential role in cultural celebrations. The Oro, a famous Montenegrin folk dance, is performed in a circle with rhythmic foot stomping and energetic movements, truly a sight to behold. Traditional instruments such as the guzel, a one-stringed musical instrument, are often played to accompany epic songs that tell heroic tales from Montenegro's history. Montenegro is also a paradise for food lovers. The country offers a rich culinary experience, influenced by Mediterranean and Balkan cuisines. Imagine enjoying fresh seafood along the coast, savoring traditional meats and cheeses in the mountains, and indulging in delicious pastries like burek. And don't forget, local wines and rakija, a strong fruit brandy, are must-try beverages. Montenegro provides world-class hospitality services with luxury resorts, boutique hotels, and family-run guest houses catering to all types of travelers. Many coastal resorts offer spa facilities, private beaches, and gourmet restaurants, pure indulgence. Meanwhile, eco-lodges in the mountains provide a perfect retreat for nature lovers, offering peace, tranquility, and breathtaking views. Montenegro's history dates back thousands of years. The region was first inhabited by Illyrian tribes before coming under Roman rule in the 2nd century BC. The Roman influence left a significant mark, evident in archaeological ruins scattered across the country. But with the decline of the Roman Empire, everything changed. Invasions from Slavic tribes reshaped the region as they settled and established early medieval states. During the Middle Ages, Montenegro stood as part of the Byzantine Empire, before emerging as a stronghold of the Serbian kingdom. Then came the 15th century, a time of great turmoil. The powerful Ottoman Empire set its sights on Montenegro, determined to conquer it. But the towering mountains, the unbreakable spirit of its people, and the fierce resistance of local clans ensured that Montenegro held on to its autonomy for centuries. The Montenegrin people, led by their prince-bishops, Vladikas, fought countless battles, refusing to surrender their freedom. In the 19th century, Montenegro finally gained recognition as an independent principality, and in 1910, it became a kingdom under King Nicola I. However, after the devastation of World War I, Montenegro was annexed into the kingdom of Serbs, Croats, and Slovenes, which later became Yugoslavia. Fast forward to the 1990s, a time of great political shifts, Montenegro remained in a union with Serbia until, at last, in 2006, it peacefully declared independence. And so, one of the world's youngest sovereign nations was born. Podgorica Airport, TGD. Located in the capital city, Podgorica Airport serves as Montenegro's main international gateway, handling flights to and from numerous European cities. Tivat Airport, TIV. Situated near the breathtaking Bay of Kotor, Tivat Airport is a crucial hub for tourists visiting the stunning Adriatic coastline. It operates seasonal and year-round flights, primarily catering to travelers heading to Montenegro's beautiful coastal resorts. Both airports offer modern facilities and convenient transport options, ensuring smooth, hassle-free travel experiences for visitors from around the world. A country of timeless beauty, cultural richness, and warm hospitality, Montenegro continues to enchant all who visit. Whether you're drawn to its medieval towns, pristine beaches, or rugged mountains, Montenegro offers a unique and unforgettable experience. The friendly locals, the mouth-watering cuisine, and the vibrant cultural festivals make this hidden gem a must-visit destination. So, if you're planning your next adventure, Montenegro should definitely be on your list. Come and experience the charm, history, and natural wonders of this incredible Balkan nation.